You will need 1 cup of whipping cream, half a cup of milk, quarter cup of choco chips, powdered sugar to taste, quarter cup of firmly packed mint leaves, and half a cup of condensed milk. So let us start making it. Into this mixing bowl, I am going to add in my whipping cream. Now I am going to whip the still stiff peaks. So we can see some traces ongoing. I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. This should be fine. Our cream is whipped. Now let's mix everything together. I'm going to start off by choco chips, followed by condensed milk. I have taken my mint leaves along with the milk and give it a whiz in the blender. We don't want a paste, we just want it to be crushed. Now all you have to do next is mix everything together and pop this in the freezer for about 6 to 7 hours minimum, and then enjoy this. So this was as easy as that. Now we're going to pop this in the freezer for about 6 to 7 hours, and I'll be back to show you how it looks like tomorrow. Here is my ice cream. Let's scoop it out. Look at how creamy and smooth this is. You can top it up with some mint leaves and some choco chips if you wish.